What's up, y'all? It's your girl Deborah, and I'm back yet again with another video. And as you can tell by that title, I'm gonna be doing an unboxing video, just a little unboxing video. So y'all, I got this camera. Today's Christmas Eve, y'all, and I got this camera. So let me show y'all how the camera looks. And don't mind my hair because I did not get my hair done, so I just got this on. But this is the camera. This is the camera. This is how I look, and it's a full HD video, wireless. We got wireless connection. It's a Menolite Pro Shop MN67Z. But yeah, I'm just gonna open it right now. I'm opening right now. And y'all, I know I've been skipping Vlogmas. I skipped the whole lot of day because, for one, it's just been cold. I really just been sleeping. But today is Christmas Eve. So happy Christmas Eve to everybody. Okay, y'all, I'm taking the paper off. Oh, it say, okay, y'all, let me read y'all the features. The features are megapixel pictures, full HD video, zoom, pop-up flash, built-in wireless connection, built-in speakers, super marker shooting, and all that. Y'all got the features right here. And I'm gonna drop down a link if y'all want to get this camera also. Okay, and when you open it, it's like this when you first open it. The first thing, it just got the little manual book. The next, it just got this little paper to quick start it. This little paper to quick start it. And it just got this to say thank you for purchasing. Y'all know, like, basically a lot of little paper thing. Okay, then when you open it, it got this. You pull that out. So it got, this is the SIM card. It's 16 gigabytes. This is the SIM card. And it come with the battery. This is the battery. This is the, I don't know, I think this is the charger, y'all. And this is the little scrap. This is the scrap for you to hold your camera with. This is the scrap to hold your camera with. I have no clue what this is. I'm gonna find out. A charger box. And this right here is the little pouch you can put your camera in. The little screen thing that go to it. And y'all, this is the camera. I'm taking it out. It's red, y'all. Taking out the pack. Okay, y'all, this is me taking it out the pack. Yeah, this is the camera. This is how the camera looks. And it got like this, whatever, but this is how it looks. But yeah, that's it. That's just how the camera look and all that. I was just really just showing y'all like all the stuff that came with the camera, and I'm gonna show y'all how. Eventually, I'm gonna show y'all how it looks, but I'm just not gonna do it right now because I'm about to go somewhere. So yeah, if y'all like this video, make sure I give this video a thumbs up. Comment down the more videos I'm gonna do. And bye, break gang. See y'all in another video.